Hey James, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys. I'm going to give you a website audit, kind of go over some recommendations I have for your guys' website. We're going to look at some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of traffic to your guys' website, and what the competition is for those, and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at your guys' site, I actually really like your website. It's a really good layout. I like the color scheme you guys have going on. All the graphics you have on here is super fun, how these are all clickable. I really like how you have the free quote up here. You have your contact form right here, the call us. It's all fantastic stuff. One recommendation I do have for you guys for this homepage, there was a recent study done by Google. They looked at over 1 million different websites and all the top ranked sites across multiple niches. And what they found from this is that the magic number for these top spots was 1,500 to 2,000 words of content or words on this homepage. So increasing the amount of content you have on here would definitely help you guys out with your rankings. But other than that, everything looks fantastic on this homepage. So yeah, looking at keywords, pest control, Richmond, Virginia. Is the highest search volume keyword I could find. There's currently 700 searches per month for that. One thing I did notice with your guys' content on this homepage is you can see right here, you currently don't have it listed a single time on this homepage. So you definitely want to include that. Kind of your target is at least 5 times that you mention it on this page, just so that Google really knows that it's one of those keywords you're trying to rank for. I also wouldn't go any more than 5 times, because Google at that point thinks that you're trying to what's called keyword stuff. And so you definitely kind of want to target that 4 to 5 times. And I think that would really help you guys with ranking for that keyword as well. So for this keyword, I found something kind of interesting here. You guys are currently sitting at 67th for this keyword. So you guys are right here at 67th. One thing I definitely wanted to talk to you about this. So you're looking at ant extermination in Richmond, Virginia. This is that page. You definitely want to have someone go through and look at what you have on this page, because frankly, it looks like it was written by a 3rd grader. There's just spelling errors. None of this content makes sense at all. Ant extermination in Richmond, VA can contaminate the food on the kitchen shelf. So it's saying that ant extermination is bad, according to this. We will provide you free home inspection. Feel relaxed to call us anytime. I mean, none of this stuff makes sense at all. I don't know who wrote this, but it's really bad. So definitely you want to have someone take a look at that. And what also is kind of interesting is just that for such a high volume keyword, whoever's doing the SEO currently, how they're linking it, all their SEO content, or all their SEO strategy and what they're basing everything off of, they're directing everything to a back page instead of your home page, which is really it's not benefiting you whatsoever. So we're going to go over here to what's called Ahrefs, and this tool is kind of cool because it allows me to see what you have going on for kind of the back end of your site, as far as backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink, the best way to describe it is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the coolest kid in school, we'll call him site A, links himself to the least popular kid in school, we'll call him site B. And in turn, by linking himself to that site B or least popular kid, it brings up the popularity of that least popular kid. It makes him more popular in Google's eyes. And from that is going to increase your rankings. So currently you have 923 backlinks from 46 referring domains. The referring domains is really the most important part of this, and the fact you're really looking for if they're do follow or not. And that do follow means you're getting that backlink juice or popularity coming back to your website. So you guys currently have 27 do follow domains. Looking at the metrics for that other page that I had showed you, which is the one that's actually ranking for that, they only have 10 do follow. So there's just not a lot of SEO work going on to that page. So if you were really to put some more focus on getting your main page ranked for that keyword, I think you'd have a much easier time of it, and you'd see those results a lot faster. Being in the top spot for that 700 search volume keyword, you can usually figure to be getting about 33% of that, so over 200 searches per month that can be coming to your website just for getting you guys to the top spot for that one search term. So looking back over at Google, there's a couple things we look for as we're looking at the Google search results. Everybody really knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands it. So these are your paid Google advertising. People are paying Google to have their websites posted up here. And then you have what's called the Google My Business or Google Maps pack. There's a couple different factors for how you can get your business in here. It's super important and very valuable that you actually have your business in here, just because people are doing mobile searches so often these days, that this gives them that click to call option, which is super awesome for potential clients. Again, the factors to get you in here is going to be your citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number. And you can list these on directory sites like Yelp or Yellow Book. These are all examples of citation sources. So Pest Masters, Termite and Pest Control. So looking at citation sources, they currently have 40 and you guys are sitting at 16. So increasing the amount of citation sources you have would definitely help you out. Another factor for this is actually the description you have on your GMB. So making sure that description is really, just top notch. You have all these high search volume keywords in there, to where when people are searching for these things, Google really knows to pull you up in the rankings or the search results. And then the last one is actually your organic rankings. So moving that website up in these organic rankings would also help you getting into this map pack. Looking at your competition for this keyword, the top ranked was Pest Masters. So we're looking at organic now. I don't really include Yelp in this because Google really likes to rank the local businesses over these large national directories. So looking at Pest Masters, they don't have that much content on here either, so you guys could definitely pass them up for that. And then looking at the back end of their site, they have 531 backlinks from 69 referring domains, but only 35 of those are do follow. So I definitely think there's some potential there for you guys if you were to really optimize out that homepage you have and include these high search volume keywords that I talked about. I think you guys could definitely generate a lot of traffic coming to your website. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.